you can solve this type of question. Okay. So let us take one more example. Similar example. Like suppose 4 to the power x minus 1 upon 8 to the power 2x plus 7 is equals to 64 to the power minus x minus 1 by 2. Then find x. Then find x. How to find x here? What you will do to find x? So just see the lowest power. See the lowest power. What is the lowest power here? Lowest power 4, but you cannot convert it this as a 4. You can convert this as a 4. Then what is the lowest power? 2. You can convert it into 2 to the power 2. Here 2 to the power 3. Here 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. Means why not in terms of 4? Because this can be converted into 4, but 8 cannot be converted into the base of 4. That's why we will convert it into 2. So always try to convert it into lowest power. So what we will do? We will convert it into 2 square whole to the power x minus 1 upon 2 cube whole to the power 2x plus 7 equals to, what is this? 2, how much power? 5, I think 6, 2 to the power 6 whole to the power minus x minus 1 by 2. Now both the side it will converted into the lowest base, that is 2. Okay, that is 2. Now you can just simplify it. Here I am just writing this term once again. 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x minus 1 upon 2 cube 2x plus 7 is equals to 2 to the power 6 minus x minus 1 by 2. So this is the term. So you have learned that concept, x to the power m whole to the power n, x to the power m into n. You have also learned that concept, x to the power m upon x to the power n, x to the power m minus n. This formula, these identities can be applied when base will be same. Here base is also same. So just power to the power multiply 2, just multiply it 2x minus 2 upon, just multiply it 2 to the power 3 to the 6x plus 7 3 the 21. Same way multiply 2 to the power minus 6x minus, if you multiply 6 into 1 by 2, this becomes minus 3. Okay, now here you can apply this formula. Okay, base is same, but it is in the form of division. So 2 to the power 2x minus 2, this is what, this whole term is m, and this is what, n. So this becomes m minus n. So what is minus 6x plus 21 is equals to 2 to the power minus 6x minus 3. Now 2 to the power, just open the bracket, 2x minus 2, open the bracket, minus 6x and minus 21 equals to 2 to the power minus 6x minus 3. Just my 2x and minus 6x minus 4x and minus 21 and minus 2 minus 23 equals to 2 to the power minus 6x minus 3. Now see, equal sign is there and both the side same base, so apply this concept, equal sign, both the side same base. So if base are same, then power will be equal. So this whole power, both are what? Equal. So minus 4x minus 23 minus 6x minus 3. So put this 6x here and 23 there. So this become minus 6x. Come here, 6x minus 4x and 23 becomes positive here, minus 3. 6x minus 4x, 2x. 23 minus 3, 20. So x equals to 20 by 2. So this becomes 10. So answer will be x equal to 10. So this type of question may ask in your exam. Okay.